I am particularly interested in the treatment of Irish citizens post-Brexit in the United Kingdom. Of course, this is a real problem, especially in Northern Ireland, where we have about 25% of the population that identifies as only Catholic, therefore suggesting that they might not want to acquire British nationality even though they are entitled to it. So the problem really is that once the United Kingdom is out of the European Union, the EU nationals will become third country nationals and therefore will be subjected to normal immigration rules. Now, clearly, for very good political and historical reasons, the same cannot be applied to Irish citizens. Indeed, Irish citizens in Northern Ireland might have been born and lived all their lives in Northern Ireland. Currently, we have a situation whereby Irish citizens in the UK and British citizens in Ireland are treated almost as they were nationals. They are not foreigners. This means that they have a right to reside in the UK or Ireland, as the case might be, and they have full equal treatment rights. Now, the political intention of both the EU and the UK is that this arrangement, together with the common travel area, which is an area of free movement between Ireland and the UK, should continue even after Brexit. I explore whether there are any legal limits or limitations to the possibility of this happening. In particular, I think that there is no particular legal problem to maintain the common travel area as long as Ireland is not in the Schengen Agreement. There might be some practical problems. The UK will have to comply with data protection rules equivalent to those imposed on EU member states, and there might be a problem in the common travel area becoming a backdoor to irregular migration into the United Kingdom. But as far as the current arrangements are concerned, there is no particular problem with continuing with the common travel area. I think it is more difficult to continue with the equal treatment of each other's nationals without an explicit agreement. In particular, whereas of course it would be open to the UK to continue to treat Irish citizens in the same way as they have always done, it is more complicated for Ireland. This is because under a ruling of the European Court of Justice, a member state cannot treat third country nationals, and the British citizens will become third country nationals, better than it treats its European citizens. In practical terms, this means that there are limits to the extent to which Ireland can treat British citizens in the same way as it treats them now. The best solution, therefore, would be for an agreement to be incorporated in the withdrawal agreement that clearly states that Ireland can treat British citizens better than EU citizens within their territory.